Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Cooler and moist air has been pushing in over the southern parts of the country today. That's also brought rainfall to some areas in the Western and Eastern Cape. And those conditions are now in the process of spreading northwards towards KwaZulu-Natal. There's also a broad band of tropical moisture that's moving through the central parts of the country. That's brought some very wet weather to the Northern Cape, the Northwest, as well as the Free State. And ahead of that cloud, thunderstorms have also been developing over parts of the Northwest, Gauteng, as well as in Mpumalanga. For tonight, it's going to be basically overcast with rainy weather along the east coast and the adjacent interior, while on the Highveld, showers and storms will continue, and those will be spreading northwards into Limpopo later this evening and into the early hours of tomorrow morning. For the west coast, windy weather continuing once again tonight, and for that reason there is still a watch in place for those winds reaching gale force at times between Cape Point and Cape Columbine. Heading into tomorrow, and it's going to be a mostly cloudy and much cooler day up in the far northern and eastern parts. Showers will be around from early in the day for parts of the Highveld, and it's also going to be rainy once again along the eastern coastline, including Durban and Richards Bay. Afternoon thunder showers will be developing over the western interior, while towards the coastline, lighter winds will settle in. Berg winds will be pushing the temperatures up for that region. For tonight, scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms extend from Botswana all the way through to the eastern coastline. A 60% chance for thunder showers into parts of Limpopo tonight, while only isolated thunderstorms are left behind over parts of the Northern Cape. Light rain still lingering for some areas over the southern parts of the country. Taking a closer look at Bloemfontein's weather conditions, and there'll be showers passing over the city this evening. It's going to be mostly cloudy. An overnight low of 16 degrees has been forecast. And heading into tomorrow, it remains mostly cloudy and cool. We'll see showers and thunderstorms developing once again in the late afternoon and evening. It's also going to be quite gusty, northeasterly winds getting up to 30 kilometers per hour. Minimum temperatures in the early hours of Wednesday indicates to be lower over the southern parts thanks to that cooler air that continues to move in over that region, while it's going to remain warm for Uppington, Durban, as well as Bombela, all with a minimum of 20 degrees. Tomorrow afternoon sees temperatures climbing into the mid to upper 30s and low 40s near the west coast thanks to berg winds over those areas, while it's going to be cooler over the eastern parts, some places remaining in the high teens and low 20s for your Wednesday afternoon. Let's look ahead to Thursday, and we expect it to be a very wet day for parts of the central interior. Lots of cloud for Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga, but the rain will have cleared out of those provinces. And by Friday, wet conditions continue for Kimberley and Bloemfontein, and the cloud cover and rain return to both Durban and Richards Bay.